In this video, I'll demonstrate how to resolve Roblox error code 403. We have a few solutions, starting with logging out and logging back into your account, which can often solve the issue. To do this, simply go to Settings, click on Log Out, and then log in again. If that doesn't work, you can try deleting the Roblox cache folder by opening the Run application from the Windows search, navigating to App Data, finding the Local folder, and deleting the Roblox folder. Another solution is to change your DNS settings. Go to the Control Panel, select Network and Sharing Center, click on Ethernet Properties, then select Internet Protocol version 4, and enter the DNS server addresses as 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Hopefully, one of these solutions helps resolve your issue. If this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.